So peaceful. There's a lot going on. Birds are everywhere. There was a spotted pardalo on the side of the bank here that I disturbed, and it went straight into a little hole in the bank. Oh, there's one. Here it is. I need to try and keep my camera steady because previous videos I noticed are really wobbly. Oh, look at it. Beautiful. Not sure that is a pardalo. Oh, where did it go? I was trying to look on the screen. Now it's disappeared. Oh, there it is in the corner. It's the same colour as the mud. It keeps disappearing. Oh. Can't see it. Be quick. Oh, there he is. So sweet. In the scrub. So peaceful. We seem to have had, or we're in the middle of a really abundant spring. Swallows have had their second lot of chicks. The turbo chooks, they've had like 15 in total, little babies. Not only was the wattle in full yellow colour at the beginning of spring, but the bottle brush is massive with flowers. Okay, he's gone under the bridge. A lot of rippling going on down there. I'm interrogating the ripples, and the other day when I thought there was a lot of splashing going on and I thought it was the blackfish. Well, I caught the fish on video. Extremely quick it is, and the video's too wonky. I mean, it's so wobbly. I can't stand watching it, but I did a stop start, and it's not blackfish, it's trout. How wonderful. Spotty, beautiful, big. He was 14 inches maybe, and full of spots. It's wonderful. So there's an awful lot of rippling going on in the water the last few days. So might be trout. And this is where the platypus lives, but I haven't seen him for a few days. Oh. Be good if we saw one now. I'm trying to keep the camera steady. I'm hoping I'm doing it well, because as I say, it was terrible. I couldn't watch the films I made, which is a shame because the ducks had arrived, baby turbo chooks are on video, the trout, but I can't watch it, it's just too wobbly. Lots and lots of ripples happening down there. No fish jumping out the water today. Maybe in the evening when all the bugs are settling on the water. So, apart from our little birdie, I can't capture anything else that's happening. Oh, I can see so many ripples down that stream. But I need to get back to work. It's always a nice break. So calming. And it's another type of procrastination for sure. Oh, look. This is happening here. Look at this. I want to see the fish. Oh, lots of them. Well, the other thing we've got in here is native lobster. And sometimes they're bubbles coming up from the mud, so it might be them. Except I have seen the trout now. Different kinds of ripples, of course. Okay, I'm heading back. It's Gina from Blackfish Arts, Tasmania. Thanks for watching. Bye.